Yes, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Yes, tell me guys, so today which topic we are going to write a quiz on? Make it fast. Tell me the topic name so that we'll have it immediately. Can you see the
So
screen?
circles.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, circum?
Circles, sir.
Circles?
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
last
sir.
class, okay. Circles. Chalo, circles. We'll have a test on circles. Look at this. What about others, guys? Tell me. Guys, are you here? Tell
Yes.
me, is it fine?
Yes,
with
sir.
everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so okay. In last quiz we had on circles. The questions were a bit advanced, class 11th circle questions were there. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Uh, yes. We'll choose a topic. We'll choose a quiz whichever we didn't attempt so far. We'll just go with this. I think start a like quiz. Instructor paste. Guys, here we had some option. Show the leaderboard, shuffle answers.
So timer, sir. So please activate that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we'll just go with that. Just join me quickly. Everyone. Guys, join me quickly. Done.
Sir, could you please wait a minute, sir?
What happened?
Yes, sir.
Yes, shall I start? Guys, only four more, still five more guys has to join. Who is there? Guys, make it fast. Join it quickly. Come on.
Myself, sir, I will join.
Who else?
Sir, myself. Shran.
Shreyan, okay. Who else, guys?
So can you send the link again?
Why are you late, Aditi? Okay, join it. Why are you late, Aditi? Make it.
I in the WhatsApp it was asking it to log in again.
Ready, guys? Shall I go with the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes,
only
sir.
9 of you have joined. There are like 14 of you are here. Still 5 more of you has to join. Make it fast. If you join it so that we can, finish it up quickly and we can discuss the question paper. Guys, I request every one of you that you are getting something out of the quiz. Please, here we are, writing the quiz. It is not for the time pass. If we are learning something out of it, please try to learn something out of it. If the questions are repeated, so we'll be having one more quiz. The questions are not shouldn't be repeated. Questions should not repeat. We should solve every day different questions. Okay, I'm starting the quiz. Guys, still 4 more has to join. I don't know who are they. They are not saying. If I find anyone is not joining, I'll simply throw you out of the class. 3 more has to join. I request every one of you that if at all someone is not able to join, if at all you have any issue, please tell your name so that I can identify. I can say yes, I can come to know that yes, these are the students haven't joined. If at all you're not saying something, anything, then how come I know that? Should I compare your name, participant names? I can know the Zoom participants and the quiz participants. Only 11 of you have joined here. Kavya, Aditya, Piyush. I have to read the name and I just have to check.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me, ma.
Sir, actually, when I'm joining, like the game started, sir, for me, and it's saying it is an error, sir.
Refresh it to join the meeting again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm starting the quiz.
Okay, sir.
Is it timer, guys? Is it showing? Yes, it is showing, I think.
So did you start the quiz exactly?
For us, it didn't
For
start.
us,
Sir,
it's
it has not yet started, sir.
No, I started it, beta. Look, you can see the timer as
Sir,
well.
but it's not showing.
It's not there for us, sir.
Sir, only for you, I guess.
Yes, sir.
So the first
That-
question, and we didn't get the first question, sir.
Yeah, we are not getting any question.
Sir, we haven't got it is not yet started, sir.
Why it is so? 1 second.
So should we refresh?
1 second. Now, guys, 1 second. I started the quiz and many of you have joined. Okay, guys, I'm sending one more link. Please join it
Okay,
fast.
sir.
There is a technical issue, I think. I don't know. I started a quiz, but how come it is?
Sir, after refreshing, it's coming.
Oh, I don't know. It's gone again. It's gone again. So I shared the link again. Please, everyone, join me quickly.
Okay.
It's gone. Yes, I was thinking to refresh it and do something, but it's gone.
No, sir. After I refreshed my tab, then it.
Oh, okay, no problem. Everyone, guys, join it quickly. Don't make it delay, guys. Don't make it delay. Don't make it repeat the same thing. Join it quickly. Come on. Ananya, why are you late?
Sir, I'm in my village, sir. There was some internet connectivity issue because, yes, sir. So that's why I joined late, sir.
Okay. I shared a link.
Yes, sir.
Quiz link. Join it quickly. Total 15 of you have to join. Can you see the screen here? People, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, only 10 of you have joined here. You can see that. Can you see the number here?
Yes, sir.
Guys, only 10 of you joined. Look at the 10. Make it fast. Five more, 5 more. Who else? Who didn't join? Okay, Shreyan, Ananya, Piyush, Modita, Tayaba, Aditya, Aditi, Kavya, Pranav, Devashri. Okay. The people who haven't joined, I'm removing them. Bhargav, I'm removing you, Bhargav. I'm sorry. Bhargav, are you here?
Sir, why, sir?
Why didn't you join? I'm asking the people who have not joined. I am asking you to respond. Sir, there is a problem from my side. I'm not able to join the meeting. It is taking bit time. Why can't you say that? Are you here, Bhargav?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you to respond, right? Bhargav didn't join. Sai Ramachandra didn't join. Yeah.
Sir, I joined. Oh,
Where is your name? I don't see your name.
sir, my name is there, right, sir? Once check.
Oh, is it so? Devasri.
Sir, I joined, sir.
Your name is not showing it. Sayakshit, Sai Ramachandra.
Sir, once check again, sir.
Yes,
Sir, I'll send you a screenshot if you want, sir.
No. Only 11 of you are here, beta. Your name is not showing here.
Sir, I think he joined the old link.
Babu, you joined the new link. I'll send you again, Bhargav. Join this link. Quick. Now your name
Yes,
is.
sir. Now I joined, sir.
Okay, I'm starting the quiz. People who have not joined, please join it quickly. Can you see the question? Yes. Timer is there, guys. Quick. You can see the timer as well. Make it fast. Time up. So next question.
Sir, are you skipping questions?
Sorry?
Yes, sir, skipping questions. So the speed of question is very much.
It should be third one, no?
I
I didn't get you. You're saying something?
So the speed of question was too much. Or should I even answer one?
Oh my
Yes, sir.
So
It automatically.
Sir, we skipped the third one, sir.
I just saw one question and it
Yes,
went to the
sir.
next one.
Yeah, sir, and it might click by itself, sir. Answer.
One second. So
Then another question, sir. There were one.
And automatically it's taking the answer.
13 question. Third question. Yes, third question I'm showing it to you. Look at this. This is the third one.
Sir, it is not able to answer.
1 second. I think can we set
Yes,
a
sir.
time? One second. I think we can set the timing. I think it is not there. Okay. You write like this. We'll see. I think first question got 20 seconds. Then how come? Wait. You leave such questions. No problem. Let's see.
Okay, sir.
Sir, something is coming, sir. First is going to the previous question and then it is like correct.
Yes,
And
sir,
then
it's
again it's going
happened
to the
here
next
also.
question. It was
Hello,
like
hello.
wrong and then it's going to the
Wait,
previous
wait.
question. What is
I
So this
went
is not correct.
I went for previous question since couple of students haven't wrote the question, so I just had to go back. It was not automatically. I just made that. Next question. But timer is not showing. Then again, why? Is it showing to you all? Yes. Now it's a 45 seconds something. Make it fast.
Can you go to the next question?
Sir, I'm not able to do so.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Guys, keep writing the questions. You have enough time for this question. Make it fast.
Sir, I don't understand since the last class why are we attempting the quiz like this instead of doing it the individual way.
Bhargav, you can talk to me later after the quiz. Don't talk in between, please.
Okay, sir.
So next question.
Sir, could you please proceed to next question?
So you skipped the question.
So you skipped the question.
Sorry, you are saying something?
Sir, you skipped
You
one.
skipped a question.
Sir, you
Yes, sir.
skipped a question, sir.
Oh, I'll come back to that.
Sir, should we go to last question?
Make it fast. Yes, we have done with this. Okay, we'll go with the questions. Question view. Where should we go for that?
So, want to declare the result?
Sir, like, who is results?
Sorry, where should we go for that?
Who is
The next
results, sir?
question.
One second. Quiz review. Where is that quiz review?
So, you
Right,
need to go to
next
the next
question.
question, sir.
No, it's like only 15 out of 15 question, right? 15 slides.
Yes, sir. Sir, can
Like,
you
then
please?
results of the quiz.
This is the last question. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, the last.
Yes. No, I just, it was showing like 12 question there. But... Okay. Oh, now here we have that. So the first question is equal of the congruent circles obtained equal angles at the centers. Equal cards. It's a very simple question. I need to...
could be equal arcs also, right, sir?
Sorry.
So equal arcs of congruent circles.
Equal arcs of the congruent circles obtained equal. No, we learned as per the property chords only, right? So getting my point.
Sir, I think there is one of it, one of the properties, sir.
It's segments, right? Not arcs.
There is one for arcs also, I think.
Okay, so let me.
Which one? How many of you wrote? Who wrote the segments?
Sir, not segments, sir. Arc.
Yeah, but no one has written that, right?
Yes, sir. I did not write, but that is also a correct answer, right?
I think nope. One second. Equal of the congruent circles. Equal of the congruent circles. Equal angles at the centers. At the centers. Then one second. Now let me write here with the pen. We proved this as well. What I'm trying to say here is that diagram like let us say this is a circle beta. This is a circle. So here two circles have here congruent, right? Congruent circles. Any center is the center ho is the center anything. I have two centers here. Okay. This is equal radius. And guys, if I take equal chords of two congruent circles obtained equal angles at the respective centers. Yes, this is what the proof we have learned. If I take this as center and this is a AB, any chord like AB, I join these two. Haven't we proved this? It could be arc. I don't think so. It be the arc beta. See, equal of the equal chords. This one chords. This one. Equal chords of the congruent circles obtain equal angles at the centers.
Okay, sir.
Equal arcs. Equal arc कैसा होता है बेटा? देखो this arc होता है. This chord. We are talking about chords only. Chords only make.
Sir, I think there is one of the theorems where
Which theorem?
equal chords of a circle have equal like arcs. The measure of the arcs will be equal, right? So from there we can say that arcs also subtend equal angles, right?
So that equal chords of two congruent circles, two chords, equal chords of two circles, two congruent circles obtain equal angles at the respective centers. Okay, we'll discuss the question paper fully. Then we'll come to that question at last. Okay, Ananya.
Yes.
We'll finish it up this. Then we'll come to that. If chords, if we just keep that, if chords AB and CD of congruent circles obtain equal angles at the center, then ये तो बराबर ही है. Very simple. This one. How many of you wrote this, guys?
So
AB is equal to... Someone of you wrote AB is equal to AD, beta. Please. Who's that? Please realize, beta. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. देखो. If any doubts, we'll just ask this. Okay. If there are two separate circles drawn apart from each other. Okay. Very good. then the maximum number of common points they have apart from each other. Common point कहाँ से मिलता है? बताओ मुझे.
0, sir.
Guys,
Sir, I got it right.
I think many of you have not attempted, I think. Am I correct? 9, 10 members only have attempted. 5 players have did a mistake. Guys, how many of you wrote a 2 here? 5 of you. Who are they?
Sir, I did.
Hello? How?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I did, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, I thought the question was just 2 circles, sir, not apart from each other.
Do you
So by
know?
apart from each other, meaning like they're not touching it. Just confirm.
Yes. Apart from each other means there is no point of touching it all.
Okay, sir.
Angles
Because
subtended.
I thought they were intersecting.
Guys, yeah. No. Apart from मतलब उधर कोई है भी नहीं. Do not intersect at all. They are apart from each other, so they will not intersect each other. So angle subtended by the diameter of the semicircle is what?
90.
180. Who wrote 180 beta? 180 people still. Guys, आप कहाँ हो guys? People who wrote 180 beta, just please realize it is not 180 beta. Guys, how many of you did this? A, B, C, D are two. A, B and C, D are two parts. Okay. Of a circle intersecting at the point E. Perfect. A, B, C, D. Yes. As per the given question, then which is going to be correct? B, E. देखो बेटा, 1 second. Let me write here. What are you saying? B, E. B, E, Q. This one will be equal to C, E, Q. Guys, how many of you wrote this correctly and how? Very good question.
Sir, I didn't write it correctly, but I wanted to click this answer, but I clicked this answer.
Oh.
Sir, I can prove it if you want.
Yes. 1 second.
Sir,
1 second. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Can I?
Yes, you can. But 1 second. I would like to ask the people who are not responding in the class. 1 second. Sai Ramachandra, have you written this? Guys, Sai Ramachandra, have you done this or not? Make it fast. Hello, Sai Ramachandra. See, you can't be like this, beta. You must respond in the class. Sai Ramachandra, you must talk. You can't text me. See, it is not chatting. We are not chatting, WhatsApp chatting, like we are not chatting in social media, right? It is not the thing, right? We are communicating here. Getting my point? I would request you to talk. Mic is not working. Please make sure that find a solution of that. Find a solution for make sure that your mic is working. Okay. Yatarth Ratnam. Who is Ratnam? Okay, Sai Ramachandra, please find a solution for that. Yes, who is Ratnam? Ratnam.
Sir, there is Aditya Ayushman.
Aditya, are you?
Sir, my name is Aditya actually.
Then who is Ratnam then?
Sir, it's my brother's name.
Oh, okay. Join with your brother's name, but then how can I understand?
Sir, I actually joined with my name. I don't know why it's showing my brother's.
Okay. Then did you solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How did you solve it? Can you please explain?
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me how did you solve this?
Sir, by the theorem, line drawn from circle to the chord in perpendicular makes the chord equal. So there's a theorem. So it's asking the relation between angle BEQ and angle CEQ.
Yes. And 1 second. Very good. At least, if you respond, at least it would be, even it is wrong, no problem. Pranav,
Yes.
tell me Pranav. Pranav,
Yes, sir.
how did you solve this?
Sir, the
Chords
sir,
existing at a point. Tell me. Yes. Pranav, are you here?
yes, sir, I am.
Yes. Tell me, how did you solve it, and how did you solve it or not? Did you understand this or not?
Yes, sir, I got it.
How? Here we have, if you just say simple, we can say that beta. We can simply say that, this there are two triangles in this one. This is a congruent to this. Can I say
Yes, sir.
NOE? Am I
So
correct?
what how will you say these are congruent?
By using RHS. Am I correct?
So like which S is equal? So we know R and H are equal, but which side?
By CPCT, can I say MEO is equal to angle MEO is equal to angle which one here? NEO. Okay. Can I say with that? And MEO, which is nothing but which is giving you the angle called E, which is here, which is this one. 1 second. MEO, which is giving you E angle, and from the angle NEO, this one, which is giving me CEQ. Correct? So,
Sir, one doubt here.
Yes.
Sir, we know the right angle, we know the hypotenuse is common. So which side, sir? What is the side, sir?
We know right RHS hypotenuse.
Yes, sir. Hypotenuse.
AB and CD are equal here. देखो AB and CD are equal. Am I correct?
AB and CD are two intersecting at E.
They should be equal. They should be equal.
No, but it's not mentioned in the question, right? Plus, we don't know the length of
no. Actually, those who know the proofs, actually, they can write it. Yes, if you know the proof properly, you can just say that. Yes, how did you solve? What is your method?
No, sir. I mean to say, like, shouldn't it be given that OM is equal to ON so that they can be equal, like AB and CD, and OM and ON can be the sides?
Yeah.
So shouldn't that OM equal to ON be given?
Yes, you can see, but I can say that we have proven or not? We have proven this theorem or not? Am I correct? Have we proven while discussing the circles lesson? Hello? Yes, there should be. It should have. Sorry.
So AB and CD are not given as equal, sir.
Yes, sir. Nor are OM and ON.
Yes, it is not given. It is not given. It should be equal. I'm saying. Then
Yes,
only we can say
it should
RHS.
be equal. We are not denying that, but shouldn't be given also?
It should have been.
Yes, sir.
Then apart from that, it can is there any other approach? As per your 9 players have written this correctly, and I'm asking one by one. The guy who has 1 second, the student who has written this correctly, can any one of you prove this? I mean, prove in the sense like tell me your approach. 1 second, let me ask Nitya. Nitya, are you here, beta? Nitya, are you here? Nitya is not responding. See, I would request every one of you to respond in the class. It is not like, if you're not responding, how it would be. It would be a simply like, talking to the walls, isn't it? So, Mohit, are you here, Mohit?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Mohit, how did you solve this?
Sir, for this one, to be honest, I actually gave a wild guess, but I just thought there would be some logic in this. Like, sir, if we can see BEQ, there's a line MO, sir. Basically a perpendicular MO. And sir, for line CE, there's a perpendicular NO. And so, like, I thought they would be the they both are same. So if we can say both the perpendiculars are this at the same, so MO is equal to NO, then we can say CEQ is equal to BEQ.
Yes. Then now, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle.
And that is especially so since O is the center, so I tried that.
So there is a theorem, guys. We learned that if two equal chords of a circle, but he has not given two equal chords. Okay. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, then we can prove that the point of intersection of a circle makes equal angles with the chords. That is a proof. How many of you aware of this proof? Actually, it's a very simple proof. It's a very simple proof.
So I didn't understand this one.
No, what I'm trying to say here is, but let me write here.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, I think it is not your class. I think it is 10th standard. 10th standard.
No, sir, it's there in our class.
Sir, it's there in
why
our
you are not
theory.
aware of that?
Sir, it's there in our NCERT book, sir. That problem.
NCERT?
In the NCERT book, we had OM is equal to ON given to us.
One second. OM is equal to ON given to you?
Yes, sir, in the NCERT book.
Yeah, I did as per that only. As per that only. Can you? Yes. What was the theorem?
So, what a condition in the question was AB and CD are equal chords, unlike this one.
Yeah, we had to prove that AB and CD were
it should have been. I'm saying it should be. It should have been actually. If two equal chords. Yes,
what I'm saying is that they should have just included that they're equal, or at least showed that OM and ON are equal.
Yes, exactly.
Otherwise,
agree.
In both the cases, BQ equal to CQ.
Yes, there is no other possibility actually. If you just go with the blindly, also option A is not at all possible. Option B is not at all possible.
Yes,
C, and either I'm sure if you are if you are like smart, I mean, like if you're little smart, you can just go absolutely for option B.
Yes, sir, that's why I searched the option B.
Yes. This one, guys, this one. How many of you did this?
Me, sir.
Perfect. The below figure value of the ADC.
That's easy, sir. 60 degree plus 30
like
degree
angle
divided by
AOC
2.
is 90.
Yes,
so
sir.
angle
60
ADC
plus
will
30
be
by
half
2.
of it.
Sorry?
60 plus 30 by 2.
Yes.
Yes, sir. ADC will be half of AOC.
How many of you did it? Right answer. Guys, hope it is clear with everyone. Next question. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. PR is equal to QR. Perfect.
Here 2x is equal to 9.
Sir, it's 45 degrees. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Since
angle
subtended by the diameter is 90 degrees, sir.
And since triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle, therefore RPQ is equal to RQP, so that and they'll both be 45 degrees.
Yes,
exactly. Sir. Very simple. It's a very simple. By looking at the question, it's straight away you can put it. There's need not to put in paper as well. Need not to put pen on the paper. Straight away you can say this. Very simple. Guys, hope it is clear. Mohit, Tayaba, Devasri, Modita, Nitya, Ramachandra. Are you guys able to follow the class?
Yes, sir.
How many of you did this? O is the center of the circle. What is the measure? Guys, how many of you did this? Make it.
Sir, me, sir.
Yeah, I got it, sir.
Sir, I did, sir.
Yes.
So like angle OSC and angle OBC both are isosceles triangles. So then we can find the measure of angle OC and OCB. Then add them.
So what I did was 120 plus 100 plus AOB is equal to 360 because the angles around the point 360. Then I got the answer as 360 minus 220 is equal to 140. 140 by 2 is equal to 70 degrees.
Yes, sir. I did the way that Piyush did it.
Exactly. What about others? Yes, absolutely.
So like
I did like Piyush, sir.
So I did it in a different way, sir.
Sir, I took OC, OA, and OB as radius of the circle, so they are equal. And if OAC and OBC triangles are isosceles. So from that you can conclude OB plus OC plus 100 degrees is 180, and then OB is equal to OC, so you can write to OB is equal to 80 degrees.
Yes.
And so, sir, OCB angle you'll get as 40 degrees, and same I did with the other triangle, OAC.
Okay.
So I got it 30, so 30 plus 40, I got 70.
Exactly. Yes. Perfect. Guys, look at this here. And two players who have choose 45 and who have choose 60 actually. I don't understand. May I know the names, please? No problem, madam. No problem. Tell me. Hota hai. Like, we can just, we are learning. No problem. It happens. Come on. 40 plus 30. Yes, you did right. No problem. Correct. The niche wala angle dekho beta. Hello guys, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We'll go
sir.
for the next question. Segment of a circle is the region between an arc and a dash.
So chord.
People
Chord.
wrote sector. Sector is what? Sector क्या होता है? Chord क्या होता है? Segment क्या होता है? Just I told multiple times, many times. What is segment? What is sector? What is chord? What is diameter? Radius किसको बोलता है? Tangent किसको बोलता है? Normal किसको बोलता है? Everything we have discussed in the last circles quiz. If you have gone through that, आपको last circle का lecture, like if you just gone through that properly, you just need not to bother about this question at all. Blindly you can answer this. Guys, how many of you remember the last circles quiz? I mean, like we have solved a couple of 11th standard questions, basic questions. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square with the center h comma
Yes,
k.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. X minus h whole square multiplied plus y minus r whole square
Y
is
minus
equal to
not
0.
r square, y minus k whole square, r is the radius, which equal to r square, where r is the radius and h comma k is the center. Okay, no problem, but we had an idea, so again you'll be learning, no problem. The region between an arc and the two radii joining the center to the end points of the arc. Dekho, region between an arc and two radii joining the center to the end points. This is a very simple question. This is sector. If you understand the language of the question, it is a basic question. Okay, people, the sum of the either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. We have been learning this from many days. And if the angle subtended by two chords of a circle are congruent, everyone did it. Happy for you all. This is a direct question. If angle subtended by the two chords of a circle are congruent or of congruent circles at the center are equal, the chords are kya hota hai? Equal. Very simple. Next, guys, how many of you did this? Directly 40. Directly 40, half of that. If the figure O is the
Yes,
center
sir.
of the circle, then measure of ACB kya hota hai? Half of the 80, 40 degrees. A point whose distance. Guys, any doubts here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Beta, any
No,
doubts
sir.
here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is a direct question. Are you here, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are here.
Very simple. Half of the 80, 40. Guys, you know, right, how we get off there and all. Please. Guys, when we just, if you are suggesting a quiz on a particular topic, make sure that you are revising it at come, so that it will be easy for you all. Okay? Yes, I understand, every individual will be having a different opinion on writing a quiz. Like one say circles, others say polynomial, others say statistics, others say probability, others say some in the chapter. But whatever the topic you are going to write, if you are going to suggest some topic name, let's say next class you are suggesting some name called probability, just prepare the probability and come back. Is probability very, in fact there is only one formula, but there are various questions based upon the same formula. Make sure that you are just solving those questions. Kindly, you have a little preparation and come to the quiz. Okay. Hope it is clear what I'm trying to say. Why Sujay is not joining? Any idea, Sujay?
Yes, sir. He went to America.
Okay, he is from your school?
It's actually Australia.
Oh, yeah, sorry, Australia.
Okay. Right. A point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than the radius lies. Guys, this question already we did. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, exterior. Already we solved this. The length of the complete circle. If I call a first class student, he will say this. Am I correct?
Yes.
Sir, we actually learned it in third class, sir.
Yes. Very good. So this is what the quiz is all about. Yes, guys, I would like to know. Yes, let me stop here itself. This one. I would like to know one thing from you all. Yes, we have just, guys, we are having quizzes on everyday basis. How many of you are enjoying writing the quizzes, and how many of you are enjoying discussing the? Yes, in fact, I really appreciate we are discussing each other, right? We are discussing. That gives you so much of confidence. That gives you so much of knowledge. Actually, believe me, this group discussion, why the basic main reason behind writing everyday quiz and discussing the question paper is so that you will be managing the time in a proper way. You'll be writing the time quiz in a you'll be managing the time in a proper way. Whatever the competitive exam you write, you'll be you'll be having so much of grip on clicking the options, I would say, finishing the question in time. Everything. There are so many advantages. Okay. And guys, yes. Okay. Piyush, Ananya, Mohit, Kazi. What about others? What about others, guys? What is your opinion on writing the quizzes? You don't want to conduct the quizzes on every day?
No, sir.
Kavya, you don't want?
No, sir, I want.
I'm asking you to raise your hands. The people who want the quiz and they're discussing the question. Everyone. People texting that sir like the quiz. Perfect. Ramachandra, what about you? Modita, what about you? Aditi, Chole, I can't pronounce that. Chogle. Aditi.
Aditi Chogle, sir.
Chogle. Tell me, Aditi, are you here? I don't see Aditi nowadays is participating actively in the class.
I'm here, sir.
Huh?
I'm here, sir.
Tell me, what is your opinion on the writing quizzes? What is your opinion on the, yes, how best we can do, yes, I feel, we are going a similar way, how best we can do. Is there any other, any other website for conducting the similar type of quizzes?
Sir, everything is fine. I enjoy the classes.
Sorry? Right.
Everything is fine and I actually enjoy the classes.
Right. That's great. But I'm asking you, is there any other website, you oftenly write quizzes at home, right?
Actually, our school never conducted any quizzes. It was always usually on Teams or there is
Microsoft
another app,
Teams?
homework. It was usually on Teams.
Microsoft Teams. Yeah. I know. But from where do they collect the exam and questions? I mean, exam questions.
They have to prepare themselves.
Prepare themselves and upload it so that you write it.
They prepare the question paper and upload it in a PDF format.
No. I'm not saying that we can generate the question paper immediately and you can write that such a way. So is there any option like that apart from this quizzes.com website?
So, and sir, in Topper there is, but do not know if all the people get the same question.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. There is there. Even I had to heard about that.
Get repeated in Topper, sir.
Yeah, many questions are repeated. Yes, I know that many questions are repeated. That is the reason I stopped conducting the exam from Topper actually. So I'm preparing the question paper from my end on weekend basis. I'm talking about if from couple of months, from past 4 to 5 months, I'm preparing myself the question papers and weekend test, whichever we wrote. Yeah, initially I used to go for Topper, but later on just okay. I'm asking, is there any other website apart from this? Yes, you oftenly write the quizzes. That is the reason I'm asking you. You might
write it only in quizzes and Kahoot, but Kahoot is way too troublesome.
Oh, it is not creating the question paper, sharing the link so that I can operate from my end. Is it not like that?
Yeah, we tried it once in the class, right? You have to present the question.
Yeah, we tried one thing, but it didn't get work out actually. It didn't work.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, sir. Only those two I know.
Okay. Even I too, I'm trying to find it out. Okay, let's see if it all I find anything.
Sir, I know quizzes, sir.
Yes. Probably I think we've
other
done
than quizzes. I don't know anything else.
probably we have like, I'm sure we have done and dusted 9th standard. We are keep repeating, keep, writing the same quizzes, same topic. अरे बाप रे कितना बार लिखेंगे हमने अभी very soon we are going to start 10th standard, so be ready for that very soon. Hope it is like clear with that. I know sir has asked you to tell the dates and all, right? So very soon we are going to start. So even I will talk to Manoj sir. And how many of you ready to learn 10th standard? Down your hands. If guys, the people who are raising their hands, let it be. If you are okay with learning the 10th standard, you raise your hands. 10th standard. And if you want still 9th standard, a preparation will be in 9th standard only. But how many of you want, sir, we want 10th standard, let it be 9th standard here itself, and we'll start 10th standard. How many of you okay with that? Sai Ramachandra, Aditi, Modita. Still you want 9th standard preparation? I mean, do you have any doubts from the 9th standard syllabus?
Exams are starting from 9th and will end by 25th.
Exams?
Yeah, sir. Pre-finals and finals.
Okay, that is fine. But I'm asking if you are okay with 10th standard syllabus. Many days we are doing 9th quizzes. We want 10th standard. Yes. Piyush, tomorrow onwards we will have 10th standard quizzes only. So it would be a kind of challenging stuff. So tomorrow onwards we'll have it better. Okay. Probably from next class onwards, even I too wanted to share 10th standard quiz only. Yes, already we have started. We wrote a probability 10th standard quiz. The quiz whichever you wrote, it's a 10th standard, 9th and 10th standard in fact.
No, sir, not quiz, sir. I meant to say portion.
Portion. You want 10th standard? Yeah. Acha, you want 10th standard quizzes or 10th standard portion? Yeah,
10th standard syllabus and we can coordinate office, sir.
Yeah. No problem.
My strong parts are trigonometry and quadratic equations.
We will start it. We'll start it very soon. We'll plan.
Yes,
I'll talk to Manoj.
Sir, Manoj sir told by this month and you will start it also February 20 or 15.
Yes. I to put a word to Manoj sir. We'll start it. Okay, beta. Have next class. We'll
sir, try sir. First plus.
Okay. We'll wind it up very soon. Within probably, I'll make sure we will be starting the classes within 1 more week or probably 10 days, probably not more than that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, people.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, ma.